Hi guys, how's everyone? I hope all of us are doing great, staying at home with our loved one, and not risking our lives outside. Anyways, I am here to show you how to make banana spring roll. I know a lot of you knows how to make turon, but for those who doesn't know how to make banana spring roll, so I will show you the simple recipe of mine. So these are the simple ingredients that we need. Banana. So I am using banana plantain because we don't have saba here in France. So, but they call it banana plantain, which came from Africa, I think. They are more richer in starch than those normal banana that we take every day. And then we have brown sugar and spring roll pastry. And after that, we also need vegetable oil for deep frying. Okay, let's start. So here is the spring roll. We will just put it in a diamond position like this, and then I will get a strip of banana which I slice into 6 pieces. I will put the sugar. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of sugar, so it will depends on you when you're sweet tooth or you don't like sugar, it's okay also. So just roll it like that and put water on the side of the wrapper so that it will stick intact. Okay, then I will just show you again. This time you can use rectangular, sugar, banana, sugar again. Roll it. Put water and roll it gently. And repeat the process. So now we are done with all the banana. We wrap them all. Now is the time to fry them. So I already heat my oil into medium heat, just like so. And now I will put every banana in the oil. Okay. Approximately 1 minute each side. Just wait to make it brown, golden brown. So I am fine with the sugar that I put inside the banana. I will not do another sugar coated here in my wrapper because it will be too sweet for me. But other people makes sugar coat for the wrapper so that it will be really sweet. So we'll just let this wait until brown. This is good for me. Shake it off so that the oil will remove a bit. And put it in a clean plate. So we are almost done. This banana roll is served easily. It's better to serve them right away after you cook them so that the crispiness and freshness of the banana roll is still there. So I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you! So my merienda is ready. So if you have a sweet tooth, you can put confection sugar, or you can add some chocolate syrup or caramel. Well, it depends with you. But for me, this is perfect. So I will try one. The banana is sweet, so for me you don't need to put more sugar, so that it will be nutritious, not very sweet. They're very crispy. So if you miss the turon and you can't buy outside, just do for yourself. It's very easy and you can enjoy it with your family. Enjoy. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.